the difference, doesn't it?
Okay, well, then it looks awful smooth.
See, I've got this gas can over here. Like that.
You want us to put it, take it in our car? I reckon we can take it in our car. Or we'll get one out of the trunk of your car and take it, just in case we had to.
You see, the thing is, this is light enough. I can do this is not good.
Max,